You've been searching for that elusive item, whether it be an organizational solution that manages a tangle of cords, a smart outlet that switches off the lights, or a device that addresses an issue you weren't aware you even had. Welcome back to WorldWideTech. In today's video, we will be seeing some of the ultimate products from Amazon, which are absolutely mind-blowing. Stay tuned to the entire video, you'll be surprised to know what product number 1 is. Before we move on though, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more notifications whenever we post a new video. Thank you! You can also find the product links are added in the description box below. Now, without further ado, let's get into the list. Number 18. Drone. An unmanned aircraft is a drone. Unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, or unmanned drone systems, are more than official names for drones. A drone is essentially a flying robot that can be fully automated or fly on its own using flight plans that are controlled by software and onboard sensors, as well as a global positioning system. Drones need a controller which enables the user to launch, steer, and park the aircraft via remote controls. Number 17. The Alexa-enabled smart blinds. You may configure how and when you would like your intelligent window covering to carry out specific tasks once it has been linked to the Amazon Smart Home. You might program your smart blinds or even other smart window coverings, for instance, to automatically close at 8 PM every night and open again at a predetermined time the next morning. Number 16. The Ring Video Doorbell. While the Ring Pro model needs to be hardwired, the Ring Video Doorbell is cordless. Each approach has its benefits. The Ring Video Doorbells were definitely worth the price if you have the cash. If you do have one, you can rest assured that you know who is at your front door and, with the right settings, who is even in your front yard. When motion is detected, the Ring Doorbell lets you see who's at your front door even if you're not at home. Number 15. The Logitech Yeti USB Microphone. Being face-to-face with Yeti, a wall condenser microphone, will allow you to get the optimum sound quality. The microphone can also be collapsed for compact storage and directly mounted on the mic stand or the Radius 2 shock mount by removing the entire base of the device. Yeti is a great company overall and they make fantastic devices. The best known products from Yeti are its extraordinary robust insulated coolers. A 45-liter chiller is the ideal choice for you if you desire to be able to maintain and store cold beers inside the backyard or even maintain ice for a long period of time when camping. We put the Tundra to the test against 16 different coolers and declared it the winner. Number 14. The Fingertip Microscope. One of the tiniest microscopes in the world, the Fingertip Microscope can be operated using a smartphone. Similar to a smartphone lens but with an 800x zoom as its main feature. You can nearly always see tiny particles with this handheld microscope that it's impossible to notice with the human eye alone. This fascinating smartphone accessory is something you should definitely purchase if you're a science enthusiast. Number 13. Fidget spinners for anxiety. Fidget toys have gained enormous popularity recently as a means of enhancing focus, lowering restlessness, and controlling anxiety because of the fidget spinner craze. Stress hormones increase in response to anxiety, which can result in extra, typically stored energy. Even though you may have gotten into trouble for fidgeting in elementary school, a growing body of evidence suggests that rhythmic, repetitive action, or fidgeting, might really be beneficial. Not only may spinning, popping, or squeezing help a busy brain focus, but some research suggests that they can also reduce anxiety. Number 12. The SanDisk 2TB Portable SSD. A portable SSD is worth the additional money if you frequently travel with your drive and don't require terabytes of capacity. In addition, a transportable SSD will read and write large amounts of data considerably more quickly. SSDs are extremely dependable because they don't have any moving parts. In actuality, the majority of SSDs could last beyond 5 years, and the longest lasting models can last over 10. Number 11. The ecobee Smart Light Switch. The ecobee Switch Plus has a built-in light source and motion detectors that can control your light, and it also functions as a tiny, miniature factor in stimulating your wall. For a very long time, ecobee has dominated the market for smart thermostats. The Switch Plus has sensors for motion, ambient light, and temperature in addition to a microphone, a speaker, and the software necessary to use Alexa, Amazon's virtual personal assistant. We have been seeing some of the amazing products that Amazon has to offer. If you think the above products are amazing, then you'll be excited to know the rest of the products. But before that, make sure to like and subscribe to us here at WorldWideTech. Thank you. Now let's get back to the video. Number 10. The Triple Bristle. Our battery-operated, travel-friendly sonic toothbrush includes a revolutionary 3-sided brush head that completes the task in just 1/3 of the time. The triple bristle was scientifically designed with 31,000 sonic stroke vibrations per minute to clean your teeth as thoroughly as possible in 1/3 the time it takes a regular sonic toothbrush. You'll be reminded to change your brush head as the blue indicator bristles gradually turn white. The convenient 3-bristle head is ideally orientated to access those awkward spaces. This cutting-edge style features 3 cleaning options. Number 9. The Ragnarok Mouse Gun. According to Ragnarok, the Desert Eagle handgun served as the inspiration for the design of the mouse gun. It looks more like a joystick than a conventional mouse gun because there isn't a barrel, unlike other, more complex gun-inspired controllers that we've seen. The main button of the mouse gun is placed on the front of the device like a trigger, while a second button, most likely assigned to the button click feature, is located just below it. Number 8. Solar Lighters. By focusing the sun's rays on a focal point, the solar lighter's highly reflective parabolic reflectors enable extreme temps, up to 400 degrees Celsius, to be attained instantly. Put your fuel in the clamps, then point the sun's rays at the fuel to ignite it. In just 3 seconds, the high-performance Suncase solar lighter opens its wings and directs the sun's rays at an igniting focal point. Number 7. The Aqua Bloom. Sunlight is all that's required to run the Aqua Bloom. The solar panel starts to charge when the sun rises. This kit comes with everything you require and is simple to assemble. Everything is included, including the rechargeable batteries. Up to 20 flowers can be watered by Aqua Bloom, and by choosing any of the 14 pre-made watering programs, the frequency and volume of the watering can be set. Number 6. The Vuzix Blade Smart Glasses. With an ANSI Z87.1 certification, Vuzix Blade Smart Glasses protects your eyes while assisting you in staying focused on your task. The see-through broadband optics reduce error rates by eliminating distractions and vision obstructions and fusing digital instructions onto actual tasks. For instance, by enabling voice control internet access, users can view or listen to the most recent information right away without pausing their job. Number 5. The TCL Breather Air Purifier. Perfect for lounge rooms, bedrooms, studios, workplaces, and more. This purifier cleans up to 1,015 square feet. Breather A1C 360 degrees air intake distributes air quality up to 5 times each hour in large areas up to 210 square feet while removing pollutants from all sides. The Breather air purifier was designed with ease of use in mind. Auto Shield Mode automatically evaluates the air quality in your home and changes the fan speed to protect you and your family using a sophisticated air quality detecting system for greater accuracy. Number 4. The Tap Strap 2. You don't simply type with the Tap Strap 2 around your hands as if it were an invisible QWERTY keyboard. You learn a completely new way to combine different tapping motions for each word, number, and symbol. Learning 5-finger Morse code is comparable to this. A small paper map that lists all the different tap patterns for typing efficiently is included in the box the strap is shipped in. Number 3. Jetboil Flash. You can make a wide range of extremely delicious and surprisingly fast boil-in-a-bag meals with the Jetboil Flash, including lemon spinach, chicken and rice, tangerine beef and zucchini, spicy veggie fusilli, and practically anything else that you can think of. Although Jetboil does manufacture stoves that can simmer, the techniques we outline here can still be used to prepare some simple meals using the Jetboil Flash. Number 2. Smart Camera. A smart camera is a type of camera that is equipped with advanced features and capabilities, such as the ability to connect to the internet, process and analyze images and video, and interact with other devices. Some examples of smart cameras include security cameras that can detect motion and send alerts to a user's phone, cameras that can recognize and track objects or faces, and cameras that can be controlled remotely through a smartphone app. And at number 1, the Desk Lamp. Desk lamps offer a task lighting for various activities such as reading, writing, researching, crafting, and using a computer. Because of this, a decent desk lamp ought to offer the following: clear, strong light that is comfortable to operate in minimal glare and a rather concentrated beam. Maintain the lamp above your head and shine it directly down onto your desk. Place the bulb in the area that is opposite from where you're working on the desktop to avoid casting shadows. And with that, we come to the end of today's video. If you enjoyed the products in this video, then please leave a comment on the most useful one. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, WorldWideTech. Also, ring the bell icon for notifications whenever we post a new video. Thank you once again for joining, and we will see you in the next video.